A lot about what we do here at Third Eye with the quality control team is to not only to ensure that the product works to spec, but to make the job easier for the technicians. And we do that by saving them time and effort. In a perfect world, our product will come off the assembly line working flawlessly, but things happen. We can encounter anything from hardware-related issues to software-related issues when you're dealing with something as smart as a Third Eye system. Our quality control team ensures that our products are equipped with the latest and greatest software and that they're working up to par upon installation. This means that installation technicians won't have to waste time while units update or spend precious time troubleshooting and eventually returning faulty equipment. The team also provides 24-hour support for our technicians. Quality control is about making sure that everything works before and after installation and continues working for the life of the product. We make sure that all units are activated and perform a 24-hour burn-in to ensure that units are working properly. We're always working to improve every process. We want to ensure that we consider everyone who will be affected and ensure that the changes work for everybody. We have certain procedures in place that we have to follow. If any one of those steps is skipped, then that makes it down to the technician level. At that point, the technician will then have to spend more time because that step needs to be done whether it's here or in the field. If it reaches the technician level, costs go up and we'll eventually make it to the customer. Here at Third Eye, we help improve lives by ensuring that everything works the way it should. That being said, it makes the job easier for the technician, therefore improving the amount of time that's spent on that vehicle and the quality of work that's performed, which then leads to our customers having a product that actually works, that helps them stay safe in the road.